Cannabis is one of the world's oldest cultivated plants. Currently, however, cannabis cultivation and use is illegal or legally restricted around the globe. Despite constant official control, cannabis cultivation and use has spread to every continent and nearly every nation. Cultivated and wild cannabis flourishes in temperate and tropical climates worldwide. 300 million users form a strong undercurrent beneath the flowing tide of eradication. To judge by increasing official awareness of the economic potentials of cannabis, legalization seems inevitable although slow. Yet as cannabis faces eventual legalization, it is threatened by extinction. Government-sanctioned and supported spraying with herbicides and other forms of eradication have chased ancient cannabis strains from their native homes. Cannabis has great potential for many commercial uses. According to a recent survey of available research by Turner, Elsley and Boren, 1980, of the Research Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences at the University of Mississippi, cannabis contains 421 known compounds, and new ones are constantly being discovered and reported. Without further understanding of the potentials of cannabis as a source of fiber, fuel, food, industrial chemicals and medicine, it seems thoughtless to support eradication campaigns. World politics also threaten cannabis. Rural cannabis farming cultures of the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Central America and America face political unrest and open aggression. Cannabis seeds cannot be stored forever. If they are not planted and reproduced each year, a strain could be lost. Whales, big cats, and redwoods are all protected in preserves established by national and international laws. Plans must also be implemented to protect cannabis cultures and rare strains from certain extinction.